Hey there, is your Cash App acting up with unusual activity? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users experience these hiccups, and it's essential to know how to fix unusual activity on Cash App. In this guide, we'll walk you through a few practical steps to safeguard your account and get things back to normal. Step 1. Identify the unusual activity. The first step in fixing unusual activity on your Cash App is to accurately identify what's going wrong. Check for unauthorized transactions, login attempts from unfamiliar locations, or sudden changes in your account balance. Use Cash App's Notification Center to retrace any suspicious alerts or messages you've received. Recognizing these signs early can help you take corrective action quickly. Step 2. Secure your account immediately. Once you've identified the unusual activity, it is crucial to secure your account to prevent further issues. Start by changing your Cash App password to a strong, unique one that includes letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. This feature requires a verification code sent to your phone or email whenever there's a new login attempt, keeping unauthorized users at bay. Step 3. Review and update your linked information. Next, scrutinize the information linked to your Cash App account. Ensure your email address, phone number, and bank details are up to date and have not been tampered with. If you notice any unfamiliar details, remove them immediately. Contact your bank or credit card provider to confirm that no fraudulent activities have occurred, and consider putting a temporary hold on your account as a preventive measure. Step 4. Reach out to Cash App support. If the unusual activity persists or you're unsure about resolving the issue yourself, it's time to contact Cash App support. Report the incident through the app by navigating to your profile, selecting support, and explaining the issue clearly. Include specific details like transaction IDs, dates, and the nature of the unusual activity. Cash App's team is equipped to handle these issues and can guide you toward a resolution. Step 5. Monitor your account activity regularly. Finally, ensure you frequently monitor your Cash App account even after addressing the unusual activity. Regularly review your transaction history and notifications to catch any future irregularities early on. Setting up alerts for all transactions can help you stay informed and prompt you to take immediate action if something seems awry. Experiencing unusual activity on Cash App can be unnerving, but by following these steps, you'll know how to fix unusual activity on Cash App effectively. From identifying the suspicious behavior and securing your account to working closely with Cash App support, these proactive measures will help protect your finances and personal information. Remember, staying vigilant and informed is key to a secure and hassle-free Cash App experience. Stay safe, keep your transactions secure, and enjoy the convenience that technology offers.